A fork is an essential garden tool, useful for cultivating and preparing the soil and for transplanting and lifting plants. But how do you know you're buying the best one? Comfort and strength are probably the most important factors to consider when choosing a fork. Comfort's essential, and a fork's weight and handle shape have to be right for you, so if you can, always look at a range of forks in person before you part with your money. The best forks are made from carbon or stainless steel. Carbon steel is light but will rust and needs extra care or a protective coating to keep it rust-free. Stainless steel forks cut cleanly through the soil and are rust resistant, so they're easier to look after than a carbon one, but they are heavy, so may not be the best choice for the less able gardener. Most forks have a YD or Y-shaped handle, which give good grip and flexibility, but these can be uncomfortable if you have larger or smaller hands. A T-grip handle is great for hands of any size, but also if you're working on difficult ground and need to apply extra force. However, it might feel odd at first if you're not used to the shape. Wooden handles are warm in the hand and absorb shock well, while plastic handles are comfortable and feel light, but unless they have extra grip, can become sweaty and will be slippery in the wet. The longer sockets, the piece between the head and the shaft, flex more than shorter ones, offering greater flexibility, but for ultimate comfort, look for ergonomic designs that are shaped to relieve pressure on the back. Angled shafts and handles allow you to bend less and are particularly good if you have back problems or can only work for short periods of time. The strength of a fork depends on its materials. Shafts and handles have traditionally been made from wood, often ash, which is strong and robust and can also be replaced easily if it does break. But now metal, fiberglass and plastic shafts and handles are commonly available. Plastic is light and durable, but can snap under pressure, while metal, which is strong and long-lasting, tends to be heavy and can also feel hot or very cold in the hand depending on the weather. The strongest forks have the head and tines and the socket solid forged from one single piece of metal, so there's less chance of the fork snapping. Carbon is strong and almost always solid forged, while stainless steel tools are often made from two pieces welded together, which can make a weak point to look out for. Finally, if weight's an issue or you're working in raised beds or amongst plants and beds and borders, always opt for a border fork, which is smaller and lighter than a traditional garden digging fork.